Hello students, good evening everybody. In integration exercise 8.6, look at these problems. Important model. Integral dx by square root of 1 minus sin x equal to integral dx by this 1 minus sin x, I am writing it as cos 90 plus x, because cos 90 plus theta, by using all silver teacups we will have minus sin theta, because 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative, so minus sin theta will come. So that can be written as like this. And one more standard formula, 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2 from the multiple and submultiple angles. So here we can write dx upon square root of 2 cos square theta by 2 means we will have pi by 4 plus x by 2. Is it clear? 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta means we will write 2 sin square theta by 2. Here we have 1 plus cos theta, that can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. Already pi by 2 is there, pi by 4 will come, x is there, x by 2 will come. So 1 by root 2 I am keeping out. So dx by square root gets cancelled. Here we have cos of pi by 4 plus x by 2. 1 by root 2 integral. 1 by cos means we can write secant dx. So what is the integration of secant x? Integral secant x dx equal to log mod secant x plus tan x plus c. What is the integration for secant x? Log mod secant x plus tan x. So I am writing log mod secant x plus tan x. X means pi by 4 plus x by 2. And what is the coefficient of x here? 1 by 2, that you should never forget, plus c. This 2 will be coming into the numerator. 2 by root 2 means we will get root 2 log mod secant of pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus. Therefore integral dx upon root of 1 minus sin x equal to root 2 log mod secant of pi by 4 x plus x by 2 plus tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. That is the end of solution. Okay? Let us see the second one. Second question. Integral sin x plus cos x upon 1 plus sin 2x dx equal to integral sin x plus cos x by this 1 I am writing it as sin square x plus cos square x. Sin 2x I am writing it as 2 sin x cos x. Trigonometry fundamentals you should understand. First identity says sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and sin 2 theta is written as 2 sin theta cos theta, submultiple angles and multiple. Now in the denominator looks like a square plus b square plus 2ab, that can be written as sin x plus cos x whole square dx. A square plus 2ab plus b square is written as a plus b whole square. So 1 cancel here. So what is remaining? 1 by sin x plus cos x dx. So for doing this, what we have to do is, I am taking here 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x. That means divided with root 2. So we have to multiply here. That means 1 by root 2 I am writing aside. Okay. So multiply and divide with root 2 in the denominator. Okay. So what will you get now? 1 by root 2 integral. This 1 by root 2 I am writing it as sin pi by 4. Or you write cos pi by 4. This is sin x plus, that means sin a cos b, cos a sin b, sin pi by 4. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b form I am writing. That means I can write sin of x plus pi by 4. For this purpose only I am multiplying with root 2 and dividing with root 2. So 1 by root 2 integral 1 by sin means we can write cosec x plus pi by 4 dx. We know the integration for cosecant x, that is 1 by root 2. Cosecant x means log mod cosecant x, log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. That is the end of solution. Right? Therefore, integral sin x plus cos x upon 1 plus sin 2x dx equal to 1 by root 2 log mod cosec x plus pi by 4 minus cot x plus pi by 4 plus. That is the end of solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.